Good morning, everybody. Give me just a second. What's today's date? 4/8. What's up, Tuxie? What's up, my purring little friend? All right, let's see. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Boy, it's been a minute. Can't wait till I get back to this a little more regularly. Might be a minute, but we're trying. What's up, Tux? You're going to have to move. I'm going to start walking on a treadmill, and you don't want to do that. You're a fat kitty. Yes, you are. You're a big boy. Chunky. Chunky. Save. Let's go over here. All right, I'm sure there's a few people here. Good morning, everybody. I can't see anybody yet, but give me just a second. I'll be right there with y'all. Let me get this thing going. All right, I think we're almost there. Watch the buddy. You're going to get it pushed. I'm telling you, Tux. Okay. You're going to see in a second here. All right, let me get this refreshed. Yeah, I believe we're live. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Good morning. Good morning. All right. Now let's make sure this is okay. All right, Tux. You're about to be going for a little ride, little buddy. You're going to have to move. I might have to put in the other room. You silly boy. Tux didn't know what to make of that, did you? All right, who's here and who's not? Good morning, Bob Ooten. Good morning, Paycheck. Good morning, Jen Holmes. How have you all been? Oh, quite a few of you over there on YouTube, I see. All right, what do we got? Keith. Keith Palmer's in the house. Please say hi to Keith, and please give him a big thank you. The man, the myth, the legend. We're currently working on something I'll bring up in just a second. Good morning, Kelly McMahon, number one. Good morning, Kelly and Keith and Henry Chassain. Good morning, Ruben and Andrew. Good morning, Bruce Jackson. Aloha. Good morning, Casey McMahon. Good morning, Priscilla Surgeon. Good morning, Joe Dixon. Good morning, Fly the Sky, Jan Flyowski. Good morning, World Boss Howie. Thanks for being on both TikTok and YouTube, Bob. Good morning, Joanna Webley. Good morning, Robel. What's up, Joe and Cindy? Hi, guys. What's up, Jason McCain and Mike Snyder? All right. I think that's everybody. Well, there's like 35 of you watching over there, I see. 21 on TikTok. All right. Exciting news. Very exciting news. Keith and I just got off the phone this morning, and Bree and I were just discussing a few things. And for the people who are in the Hydra signals is coming. Hydra. For the people who are paying $350 a month, evidently membership has your privileges. Is that saying how it goes? All right. What you're going to have is the code's going to be built in. Oh, shoot, fire. Hold on a second. I am not a financial advisor, never claim to be, never want to be, blah, 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 blah. Let's go down there. Please type yes if you understand. I'm not a financial advisor, nor is anyone with the system a financial advisor. We are, Bree and I, everybody associated with the channel, are just, what the fuck are we? We are just conducted social media influencers. We do have a store. Please visit the store and get some very nice merchandise. Okay. Okay. Good morning, Jason. Good morning, Mike Snyder. Morning, Shash. God bless you and everyone listening. And thank you for all the blessings you guys gave us. They came in handy the other day. Good morning, Bruce Jackson. Good morning, Jones 808. What's up, Andrew? Yeah, influencers. That's what we are. Thank you, Joe Dixon. All right, so you guys understand that. Now, let's go on to what you guys are looking at. What you're looking at is fucking the most incredible thing in the history of the world. But besides that, let's take a look. We're going to come over to here. What we're doing, look at that beautiful call. There it is. What you guys are witnessing, well, is history, right? Is this. We literally have new code created by Keith and I. And of course, Bree, as always, has her inputs. But the nitty gritty when it comes down to this particular code, Bree handles all the other stuff. Holy shit. All the hard stuff. This stuff is the easy stuff, but the code has been finished for the buy stops. And I can clearly, for the 12 symbols, I've checked it on, only 12. 100% win rate on all weekly. In fact, let me show you what it looks like. Let's look under here. There we go. Okay. These are the different time periods I'll be working with. Good morning, Azar. What's up, buddy? How you been? All right, so exciting news. Anybody that's in the 350 a month signal group, you guys will be literally getting this free upgrade probably by this time next week, not for sure. That's funny. All right. So what am I talking about? We have code. We have a signal server. The signal service currently sends off code over into the signal group, our Discord. Inside of there, for instance, last night I sent out a gold signal. The gold signal was immediately profitable. This gold signal that is right here is going to be updated code. For tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 will be updated. Gold will be updated. And oil will be updated to the new buy code that we have just written. The new code we have just written is this. It runs on the weekly daily. It never has missed since 1970 on gold. It never has missed since 1970 on weekly daily gold. It also has never missed since, I forgot how back, 2003 or something, as far back as I can go. As far back as history goes, it never missed on daily 4-hour on gold. It never missed on 4-hour, 1-hour gold. Just so we're clear. Also, let me be even clearer. It never missed On USD JPY, I think the oldest we can go back to is 2003 with most of these symbols. It's the limitation of the broker on TradingView. So it has never missed. It has always been profitable. Let me be clear. The new code that's been developed for our signal service on buys, we're calling it Hydra, has never missed on the 12 symbols I checked. It has never missed on USD JPY weekly, daily. It has never missed on USD JPY daily 4 hour. It has never missed in the history of the entire, as far back as we can go to test, 4 hour, 1 hours, USD JPY. By missed, it has always been profitable. The new code for our signal service on buys called Hydra is always profitable for GBP JPY weekly, daily buy stops. It's always profitable for GBP JPY as far back as history can go on our charts for daily 4 hours. Listen to what I'm telling you. It's always profitable, at least 2 or 3 pips, or usually 10, 20, 50, or usually hundreds of pips. It's always profitable. US oil. It's always profitable as far back as we can go for US 30 NAS and SPX on the weekly dailies. It's always profitable on USD JPY, GBP JPY, US oil, gold, US 30 NAS, SPX, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, GBP USD, Amazon, and Google. For every trade ever called as far back as we can test it, and on gold since 1970. Most others are 2003, 2006. It's never missed a buy stop call for any of those symbols for weekly, daily trades, for daily 4 hour trades, and for 4 hour, 1 hour trades. I'm currently testing the 1 hour, 15 minute, 1 hour, 10, and 1 hour 5. Does everybody understand what I'm telling you? 7s for yeses, 9s for nos. What's up, LT? Good morning. Now, if there's any kind of news today, I have no idea. Just don't play the market. We're not talking about that right now. I'll make some call outs for market open, though. You should charge so much more for the trading system, the best in the world. Good morning, Annie Apple. All right, so let me repeat everything I just said. And I have to fix the thing too, by the way. We have so much more news to tell you about too. I need to fix my arrow before we have our classes today. Today is Monday. We're going to be doing a beginner's class. Advanced training will start at 2:15 class today. And then I got a private session at 3:30 with somebody in a one-on-one. You have to pay a lot for that these days. Good morning, Metal Mine. I did the signal indicator. No, oh, you like that? Hydra. That's an ode to Keith Palmer, the great Keith Palmer. Okay, I'm going to repeat it since there's 47 of you on YouTube now and a few of you on TikTok. I'll need a few of you to swing over from YouTube to TikTok, but we'll get to that later. All right, listen to what I'm telling you. Hear me clearly. On the dozen symbols I tested our new buy stop code for the signal service. Everybody in the $150 a month is getting this upgraded for free within the week or two. Everybody's getting it and the code in the signal room and Discord rooms for $250 a month. But the people who are paying $350 a month for unlimited signal service will get the literal ability to put the Hydra signals on their charts themselves. So they will have another indicator that will be able to be put on a chart. And I'm going to show you how to do that in a second. They like the name. That's funny. Hell Hydra. Now that is not good. That's Marvel's nemesis, right? Avengers. Anywho. Yeah. It's multi-headed. Why it's named Hydra is a respect to Keith Palmer. And then it's because of the fact that it works on any symbol on any time frame. And by works, it has been tested since as far back as I can go on TradingView charts. And in gold, that would be 1970. And on most other symbols, it's like 2003 or 2006 I'm able to go back to. Listen to what I'm telling you. On those 12 symbols, USD JPY, GBP JPY, US oil, gold, US 30, NAS, SPX, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, GBP USD, Amazon, Google, EUR USD. Every one of those 12 symbols I tested on as far back as I can go, Hydra, the new name for our buy stop signal service, will be put on the $350 a month charts. And it's been 100% accurate, meaning at least 2 or 3 pips on every trade if it's a Forex pair, a couple of dollars on gold, and so on. It's always turned positive every weekly, daily. Doesn't mean that there's hundreds and thousands of pips every time. No. Doesn't mean there's a few. Absolutely. Daily 4 hour, 100%. And again, I should say 99. God reserves the right to do anything he wants. But our current win rate is over 55 or 56 wins on the current call outs. And historically back tested as far back as we can humanly go. It's made a profit, shown profit every time on every weekly, daily for those 12 instruments, those 12 symbols. Daily 4 hours, 4 hour, 1 hours. And I'm currently testing the 1 hour, 15 minute, 1 hour, 10, and 1 hour, 5. And everyone in the $350 a month signal service will be getting this free upgrade. I would say within the week, this time next week, maybe 2, maybe sooner, maybe a little later, but it's coming. Good morning, Kim. And tier 1 and tier 2s are still getting it. They just won't have it on their charts. They'll have it in the Discord rooms, which are perfectly fine. They've been working perfect. Good morning, Tanny B. Good morning, Kim and Metal Mine again in LT. All right. So again, you guys will be able to test it yourselves to see if I'm accurate. So let's just say, I just want to test, instead of all these, I'm just going to test the weekly dailies. I want to trade weekly dailies. You hit OK. You come over to here. You have your 5 minutes chart set up on the left. You'll have your weekly chart over here. You have your daily chart right next to it. We'll close this one down. We don't need this one. Boop. And then what do we see? What do we see? Da, 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 da. So watch. Let me go ahead and I'm going to pull these off of here. Give me a second. All right. Now, what do you see? You should run them off of your 5 minute charts But again, that's just for your 1 hours and stuff, but we'll get to that in later. What I'm going to show you here is on the weekly, the Schmeekly. This is gold. OANDA, Oanda, gold. And these are all the different trades it's called. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. All hail Hydra. It's a Marvel thing, don't ask. Da 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 da. All right, let's go on back. So it's called correctly gold. It called correctly gold last night. And I'll show you that. So it called correctly gold current on a 10-minute buy, I believe it was. And then it called correctly gold here. Let's see what this was. This was December of 1970. The first time, I wish you would have held this for long. The first time was somewhere around $30, $35 an ounce on gold in 1970. It called it there. And it called gold correctly, because a lot of you got confused the last time I did this. All these lines you see are correct. Look, currently, just so we're clear, last night, just so we're clear, let's go over here and click on our little thingamajiggers and see what we shall see. Last night, it correctly called, I thought it was at 1 hour 10. It's calling one now too. We have to go over there and check. Look, and you would go over to your 1 hour charts, pull it up, and it's a 10-minute. So let's go over to 10-minute and see. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Oopsie, hold on. I gotta do this. So this is where the call was made. So it works on all time frames, all symbols. I'm just showing you gold. And there's where it called out the gold buy stop right here for you. Is that not the fucking coolest thing? I hope I'm not losing you all. I'm trying to keep it as simple as I can. Look at that buy on gold. Poof. Perfection. Yeah, but Hercules was a demigod, so we're okay with that one. Good morning, Erica. A-C-K, do you. I don't even know what you're talking about. It is real time. You're looking at it real time. This is real time as you can get. Good morning, Shocking Life. Good morning, Ore. What's up, Ore? What's up, Henry Chassain? HJC3. Good morning, Annie. What's up, Marco Pico? And that's it. All right. So yeah, no, real time it works. Matter of fact, I think if we flip on this 5-minute, you'll see one being called. Well, we'll get to that later. Yeah, no, and this will be put onto your chart. So everybody that's in the $350 a month system, signal service, whatever you call it, that's what's coming to you. Yeah. Now the opposite, the sell stops are, that's coming along a little bit later. I have a feeling that's going to be a month or more before that's available. It's not just the opposite. It doesn't work that way. I guess I'll earn my keep on getting those sell signals developed properly. Thank you, Metalmind. Extremely happy that we were able to get this worked out. And absolutely don't forget Bree. Make sure you always thank Bree. Yeah, it's very nice. Don't know about all that now, but yeah, that's where we're at. Just can't be more thrilled. Now, the 30-second scanner that has been a free upgrade also to you guys recently. Yep, another free upgrade. Now, there's nothing free. Yeah, there is. You're looking at it. Jersey boy. There you go. What a clown. Haters in this world are just going to hate. This right here, I'm going to go ahead and tell you right now, look for any 1 minute, play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30-minute buy stops to the US 30 blue line. That's what I'm looking at. I don't even know the charts. That's what I look at. And if you don't want to do that, we can flip it and look for some sells later on. But the scanner right here, we're going to have a new signal service based off the 30-second scanner. That'll be probably in 3 or 4 months, where the 30 seconds flip and you'll get a signal on it to tell you to trade the 1 minute after, like, all day up and all day down. That signal service will be coming also. There'll be a new free, anyone in the 350s will get that also. Probably a 250s too. We'll see. No, not at all. There's one soul cooker's credit through the roof for y'all. Nice, Andrew. Thank you. And none of that talk. That's silly. And of course, Bree, yes, absolutely say that. Facts. I'm telling you, without her, this stuff would have been toast a long time ago. A long time ago. Look at that call last night. Immediately called it, immediately went up. Just a few minutes later, like 20 minutes later or something. Pop, pop. Went right off. It's pretty cool. And same for the original code too. So our signal service is over 50 and 0 since January 1st, just so anyone cares. There's been like 3 or 4 no calls where it's called a signal and we didn't engage. Those days are going to be behind, especially on the buys. It'll call it out. You wait, follow the rules, half hooks, blah, blah, blah. Look at DXY. What's up, ACK? I don't like being, no. You can say, please. Do you mind looking at? Other than that, I'm not doing it. So, simple as that. All right. How fucking cool. This is just so freaking cool. All right. I guess I can whip through a whole bunch of symbols for you. Yeah, you're a funny little man, aren't you? Yeah, Ack is a cute little person. Metal Mind. Good morning, Damien. Thanks, Metal Mind. What's up, Andrew? Someone find that cat. So say, nah, we're good. I used to crush haters into the ground and destroy them in every level with the truth. But anymore, I kind of laugh at them and they can move on their very way. I was going to crush them. No, we're good. No disrespect. I got you. I agree. All right. So, yeah. Can you imagine? You guys are going to have the signals in the palm of your hand. You're going to have Hydra in the palm of your hand. The buy stop Hydra is going to be in everyone's charts that pay $350 a month. You can control it. You can do anything you want with it. It's the crazy. I mean, I couldn't imagine. So if you only like trading 1 hour, 15 minute, 10 minute, 5 minute, trade it. If you only like trading daily 4 hours, trade them. It's the craziest thing to me. I couldn't imagine having this back when I first started trading. This shit is next level shit. And I hate saying like next level this, but it is. It's fucking next level shit. Craziest shit on earth. And there'll be additional, like you'll have to have rules with charts to open and that kind of thing. But yep. Crazy. In the palm of your hand. Yeah, Lee John. What's up, Lee? Absolutely. The problem we're having with Amazon and such. Here you go. Here's, let me go to settings. Let me put up. Is the longer term things on any stock that splits throws my system off. So if they do a split, it's much, much harder to catch. Much harder. But let's see what she's got. Here is a 1 hour, 5 minute buy stop on Amazon. So let's see if we can get it. Hold on. Let's go to the future. Go to the future. Let's go forward. Here we go. Here's a 1 minute 5. Just happened, I guess, the other day. Boop. Here's your 1 minute, 5 minute. Are you on YouTube? You are. And there it is. Here's your 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop. Called out to perfection. Of course, your entry would be after the half moon and the crossing of either the EMA, yellow or green or red. There it is. Here it is on Amazon. Just look at this. Is anyone, I don't think, this is so wild. There's a 5 minute one right here for you. Again, correctly called. You'd entered in twice, 3 times. And here's another rule, by the way. This is something that you guys need to get clear on. When you're dealing with any trade, you'll see the blue sniper. You can take any 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute buy stop until it comes up to the top of the blue. Once it comes up to the top blue, you can't take them. So any of these trades, so now they're going to call this first trade correctly for you, but because you have the sniper, you'll have all the trades on the way up correctly. You'll be able to correctly capture yourself free of charge. So it's like a twofer. It's like a 10-fer. Because on that hourly chart, there'll be tons of 15 seconds, at least 3 or 4 or 5, and so on. So that's what it looks like on Amazon. Yeah, the sniper's great. Yeah, the whole buy stop that you're looking at, the whole Hydra, what we refer to now as Hydra, is based off, the whole foundation is based off the sniper, period. And just look at how accurate. Let's go up a level. Let's go ahead and go to the, I don't know, what's this one? 1 minute 10. See, it's having such trouble with Amazon and Google because they did their splits. So it's going to be a challenge. 1 hour 5. Here's a 4 hour. 4 hour, 1 hour. And here's your buy. So you come over here, you go to your 1 hour. There'll be rules, don't worry. It's very easy once you get used to it. And there's your buy. It called it. 4 hour, 1 hour right here, hooked, formed it, and came back up again. There's your money. Over and over and over. It doesn't matter. Here's Google. I'll go to Google for you. Here's a quicker one. Here's an older one. Doesn't matter. Let's see if we can pull up a weekly Google. Weekly, daily. I don't know. Because see, it has problems when they split. That's the only issue we have. Nope. Correct call. Let's go back over here. So this is weekly, daily. Let me go over to daily. There it is. You wait for the buy stop to form. Boop, there she goes. And all these would be called in also because you'll get the smaller. Look, boom, boom, calls it out every damn time. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter stocks. Doesn't matter futures. Doesn't matter oil. Doesn't matter gold. Doesn't matter Forex pairs. EUR USD, same thing. EUR USD is the exact same fucking thing. Doesn't matter. Any time period. Any time period, anything at all, doesn't matter. It'll still grab it. Let's go down to maybe like a 4 hour or something. Let's go to 1 hour. We'll go 1 hour and like 15. Good morning, Evan. Incredible. Yeah, that's one word for it. Psychotically. What's up, D Nice? How you been, brother? What's up, D Nice? Here's a 4 hour, 1 hour. Are we on a 4 hour here? No, we're on a 1 hour. That's why. Look, here's a 4 hour, 1 hour, and there's a 15-minute inside it. There's your pop up right there. Look at it. It'll call it. Every Forex pair I tested, every indice I tested, oil and gold included, Bitcoin included. Look at Bitcoin. Doesn't matter. Pick one. I was trying to show you a 4 hour. There it is. Called it. Came down, hooked. Poof. You would have got into Bitcoin on the last. What was this one? The last. Hold on. I swear. 1 hour, 10-minute buy. You'd have got into Bitcoin somewhere around here at 67, and not whatever the fuck it is now. 72. It can't be touched like on a weekly, daily level. I mean, it's impossible. I mean, I don't even want to hear it. You can't possibly. No one can mess this up. None of you. Let's see something. Here's a daily 4 hour. Let me see. Kind of hard to get these lines when I'm walking on a treadmill, sorry. Oh, is that it right there? That might be it right there. I don't know. And then there's these other ones you're seeing in here are just individual, like 5 minute, 10 minute. They're not meant to be seen on the chart on a daily. That's all. Here's a 4 hour, 1 hour. I wonder if I can pull those off and just go to the weekly. Yep, there it is. There's your buy. And there it is going up. Yeah, it won't miss. 99% accurate. God can do whatever he wants. Power levels over 9,000. I'm not lying. Did you do that? No, I haven't called out anything in particular this morning, just the buy stops in general. No, D Nice. What we're going over is the new Hydra code for buys. It'll be implemented. Sure, I'm pretty sure, really pretty sure, by this time next week, you'll see it updated into all the gold signals, the oil signals, and the tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 buys will all be updated to the Hydra code. Meaning, on all the dozen symbols I've ever tested, I've never seen it miss on any time frame down to the 1 hours. I haven't finished testing the 1 hours. So the weekly daily, the daily 4 hour, the 4 hour, 1 hour, 100% accuracy. At least you're up 2 or 3 pips or a couple dollars here or there, whatever it is. You always have the chance to be profitable on USD, JPY, GBP, JPY, oil, gold, US 30, NAS, SPX, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, GBP, USD, Amazon, Google, and ERUSD. Simple as that. I just jumped on if we have the tier 1 signal service. No, you're going to get the Hydra signals built in to the code. DW. If you have the 350, you're going to have the actual Hydra on your charts in the palm of your hand. But otherwise, it's going to be built into the Discord signal rooms for tier 1 and tier 2. It's just that tier 3 will be able to control it. They'll be able to go to any symbol they want and use Hydra on it. Let me be clear, for $350 a month, you can trade some BFE. If it can be charted on TradingView, you can trade with it using Hydra. I love saying Hydra. It is a pretty cool name, isn't it? Will we get alerts when trades are forming? I think you can set alerts. I have no idea how that works on TradingView. Sorry, Keith might be able to answer that technical question for you. I do know you're going to see it visually on your screen. I'm sure Keith can add an alert. Let me ask him if there isn't one. Keith. Add alert question mark for the 350 a month people. We'll see. I'm sure it is. See, currently we have tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 signals. We have gold signals. We have oil signals all active. If you're in the 350 a month program for the signal service, you'll be able to chart any of the over 1,000 symbols they say they have on TradingView. So if you can chart it, you'll be able to use Hydra on it. Oh, okay. I don't currently have the indicator coded. Thanks, Keith. Write that one down. Add it to your bucket list, buddy. Good morning, MC. MC Hammer in the palmer of your hand. I like it, Casey McMahon. That's funny. So there it is from the horse's mouth, Keith Palmer. I don't currently have the indicator coded to create alerts, but it can be added. Okay. I put a note on that too, Keith, so remember. Awesomely. What else, guys? Does anybody have any questions over this? We have a signal service. Let me be clear. The signal service currently has rooms in the Discord, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, gold and oil. That's currently what's active. Everyone that's in tier 1 gets the free upgrade to the Hydra signals for buys. So that means it's going to start calling out weekly, daily 4 hours, which it doesn't do currently. 4 hour, 1 hours, which it doesn't do currently. It's a free upgrade to all of you in tiers 1 and 2. In tier 3 signal service, those of you paying $350 a month, you'll still have access to the rooms, but you're going to get the actual indicator we use to generate those signals in the palmer of your hand, Keith. In the palm of your hand, meaning you'll be able to set things, move things around, change which ones you see. If you like weekly days, change this, change that. Don't have the lines, don't have the labels. Have the labels and the lines. Okay? And I didn't even tell you this, but we're also going to be having an aggressive option So it'll show more trades. Now, the aggressive option has not and will not be tested for all possibilities of profitability, but it'll give you a lot more signals to look for. Every time it stays under the blue, for instance, and the pink drops, you'll get a signal. Right now, it's the first time only. So, yeah. And by the way, all of these upgrades, everything added to your Tier 1, Tier 2 are free. Everything added to Tier 3 that you're already paying for, there's no further charges. This is all free from Bree and I to you guys. Just like we gave you the free upgrade on the H&H scanner for free. Keith is a beast. Yeah, I've gone over that multiple times, Keith, that they can pick whichever time frames they'd like to see or trade. Just check and uncheck it. Boop, 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 boop. And put whichever ones you want. Yeah, I went over that the first little bit for a good bit. All right. History is being made. You guys are all part of it. We're not going to stop with any of this until we, I don't know, help each and every one of you be as successful at trading as we can. I mean, we may not reach every one of you. It's true. Again, a third of you won't make money, a third of you will, and a third of you will be extremely profitable. A third of you will break even, more or less. The difference between everybody is don't quit. That's the difference. Stick with it. It'll come around for you. You're welcome, Metalman. All right. I guess I can do some call outs. Then I'll probably roll. Here's our call outs. Zippity-doo. Here we go. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-day. Ricochet, rebound, sell stop. What is this? Gold, 1 minute sell stop, back to the blue line. Gold, 1 minute sell. I happen to like better gold. 15 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute. 15 minute, 1 hour buy stop gold. That's all you need to know. US 30, 1 minute. Yeah, you've been in the buy, like I said. 1 minute buy stop to the 5 minute blue line, as called out accurately by this H&H scanner. All indices, 1 minute up. Well, the one we follow. US 30 NAS and SPX, 1 minute, 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute buy stops to the 5 minute blue line of US 30. Going further with that train of thought. All three indices, US 30, NAS, SPX, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute buy stop to the 30 minute blue line of US 30. It may not hit it, but I think we're going to go towards it. And personally, I think we're going to go over it. Then look for sell stops. And we'll get into that in a second. Sell stop afterwards. 1 hour, 4 hour, ricochet down to the blue line of US 30. 1 hour, 4 hour, sell stop down to NAS. 1 hour, blue line, sell stop. SPX towards it, but it's only after I would trade. I would play these ups first if I were you. EUR USD, 1 minute. Nothing. 1 minute, 5 minute. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop, EUR USD. 15 minute sell stop, EUR USD. Buy stop, 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop, EUR USD. 4 hour daily sell stop, EUR USD. UDCHEF is the complete opposite of EUR USD. Seems like I'm missing somebody. Gold, US 30. XRP. Oh, Bitcoin. My bad. Oh, we'll do GBP, JPY. Sorry. GBP, JPY. Ricochet, I don't like it though. It's going to keep going up. You're engaged. I wouldn't do the sell on GBP JPY. It's already engaged. 15-minute, 1 hour buy stop. That's all I'm calling for GB JPY. Bitcoin. Oh, I don't know. You're only $50,000 too late to get into Bitcoin. I wouldn't play it. I've been calling it correctly. I have it documented on a video as you first come to my page on 3/8 of last year. I called Bitcoin a buy to over 70,000 1 year ago, over a year ago, and 1 month ago. If you didn't listen to me then, you're not going to listen to me now. Fuck out of here. Ethereum, same thing. You're just too late. XRP. Gee, I wonder if anyone could have called. To the daily. To the weekly. Let's take a look here, shall we? Let's pause for a second. All right. Here is your monthly green, 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 red, green, green buy stop for XRP. Here it is for Ethereum. Ethereum looks up, and I told you where Ethereum's going. It's going past 4,600. I've been saying that forever, but whatever. And there's Bitcoin. Same exact pattern. Bitcoin went up hugely. Ethereum went up hugely. And XRP hasn't gone up hugely. Well, I'm going to leave you guys with that train of thought. Amazon. See, because it blows up my damn things. But let's see. 1 minute. Let me see. 1 minute. Hold on. 1 minute. 5 minute. Will it dip enough? No, I don't think so. It is a 1 minute sell stop towards the blue line, but Amazon's a better 15-minute, 1 hour buy. I've been recommending Amazon since 91. I've been recommending XRP since 31 cents. Oil, last one. Oil, buy. 5 minute buy stop oil. 5 minute, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop oil. I'd play any 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute buy stops in US oil. So I just have play it on the 4 hour. That's what I would do until the 1 hour blue line comes all the way back up again. I'd play that buy. To be specific to you. Today is my happy day. And now it is coming back up. I don't know what that means, Andrew. Sorry, I must have missed you. All right, D-Man, I called them all out for you. It's mainly for you. Okay. Does anybody have any questions on TikTok before I go? Anyone at all? TikTokers, any question going once? TikTokers, any questions going twice? Thank you for that, Coach. Today's my happy day train day. Nice, Marco. Can't wait to train with you, my friend. All right. YouTube Flight 379. God bless you. YouTube, any questions on YouTube going once? Any questions on YouTube going twice? Any questions on YouTube? Excited to start the program. Wow. Nice, Rapid Empowerment International. Look forward to you being here. All right. No questions. Awesome. God bless you all with a great day. I should be on later today, especially because I have to do that advanced training with you all. So I definitely will be on, Lord willing. Hydra, is it? It is Hydra. All right. I'm going to go ahead and go then if there's no other questions. God bless you all. What's up, Tuxie? You tell him, Tuxie. You tell him, little buddy. You tell him. Yeah. I have one trade going. It's a sell. I'm kind of not really doing so well with that right now. I'm making money, but it's going to probably take profit and get out. Talks. A buy stop just was called by the signal service. Let's see if we agree with that. US 30. Yes, there was a buy stop already called with the new code. Okay, where the hell is it? Do I not have the thing on? Hold on one second. Let me see. I might not have it on this card. Tux, come on now. Be careful, buddy. Yeah, let me see something. I might not have it flipped. No, it is on. Hold on a second. Why is it showing up not on our daily? Hold on a second. Should be pulling up through the... Hold on. We might have... Oh, crap. I'm hitting the wrong damn thing. That's why. Oh, my God. I'm so dumb. There it is. So it called it before. Yeah. So the NAS was called. SPX was called. So NAS and SPX was called before the current signal. That's all. And US 30 didn't meet the requirements. So NAS and SPX. So you'd have already been in the money on the buy on that. See, that's why the new code is that much better. It gives you a heads up way before it occurs. And it was a 10-minute. 10-minute. Let me go to the 10-minute chart here. So I'm like, what the hell? Yeah, there it is. 1 minute, 10-minute buy stop to the blue line. Guess who told you that? Guess who called this trade out for you even before the signal service did? And why did I do that? See where it's going? That's where it's going. Told you. Because US 30 to the 5-minute, like I told you. So yes, the signal service just called it, and the signal service is good, but it's not exactly me. You know what I'm saying? Oh, damn, I did it again. There you go. There it is. SPX is over. NAS is heading towards it. And play any of those. Like I just said, that's why you're in the money. It'll go there. There it is. Signal service called this buy stop to the blue line for you. Well, the new code, the Hydra did. It was gold. Oh, it was gold call? Hold on, let me go into signal service. Oh, it was a gold call. Okay. Thank you. So let's check gold then. Make sure it's calling it on the new. I still say take those trades. Yeah, that's correct. Let's see. Was it I wonder what it's looking at though on the old. I think it was just a 1 hour, 15-minute. Yeah. The last 15-minute gold call was here. Yeah, and it's only, see, the non-aggressive Hydra is only calling the first time it happens, which is here. You'll have rules to enter in on the second time, but that's all. Okay, so yeah. Nope, that's a legit call. It is. This call for gold is like gold was gold. Look at everybody saying gold, gold, gold. Good morning, Adam. Thank you, Andrew and Larry and Kim, for correcting me. Oh. All right, guys, I take it as my cue to go. I'm tired. All right. Does anybody have any other questions before I go? Any other concerns, comments, anything at all? Please ask. If not, God bless you all. Have a great day for at least the next several hours till I get back on around 2:15 for advanced training. You'll get an email out about 5 minutes before I go live. Look for that email. All right. God bless you all. Have a great day. Thank you all for being here.